220 is the natural number following 219 and preceding 221. In mathematics, it is a composite number, with its divisors being 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 11, 20, 22, 44, 55 and 110, making it an amicable number with 284. Every number up to 220 may be expressed as a sum of its divisors, making 220 a practical number. Also, being divisible by the sum of its digits, 220 is a Harshad number. It is the sum of 4 consecutive primes. It is the smallest even number with the property that when represented as a sum of 2 prime numbers, both of the primes must be greater than or equal to 23. There are exactly 220 different ways of partitioning 64 equals 82 into a sum of square numbers. It is a tetrahedral number, the sum of the first 10 triangular numbers, and a dodecahedral number. If all of the diagonals of a regular decagon are drawn, the resulting figure will have exactly 220 regions. In other fields, the number 220 can also refer to the years 220 AD and 220 BC, a common voltage in many countries. An SMTP code meaning service ready. A series of garden tractors produced by Case in the 1970s and 1980s. The series included the 220, the 222 and the 224. 220 film, a film format for medium format cameras. A single by music duo TATU. An album by guitarist Phil Keaggy. The Intercity 225 train, a newer version of the Intercity 125, 221 to 229. 221 has its own article. 222 has its own article. 223 has its own article. 224 has its own article. 225 has its own article. See also. Area code 225 North American telephone area code 225 encompasses a section of South Louisiana, including Baton Rouge. The area code has come to be part of the identity of the Baton Rouge area to the extent that there is a local news magazine named 225. 226 has its own article. 227 has its own article. 228 has its own article. See also. February 28th incident. Area code 228. 229 has its own article.